Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber. This is Fabricating Fringe. Today I am so thrilled to show you guys this adorable blonde bob. I really am loving this here bob because it is so light and realistic. That's pretty much why I love it so much, because it's light and realistic. And who does not want light and realistic? That's the whole name of the game here. We want things to be realistic and discreet, and that's what this wig is portraying for me. This is from TressAllure Wigs, and this is a new style. It's called Sheer Joy. This gorgeous blonde creamy color I really am digging, and the color is 24102 R12. Again, that's 24/102/R12. Now, Sheer Joy, as you can see, is an adorable chic bob. Now, this is a layered bob. It's nice and light, like I mentioned before, just reiterating on the nice, light, natural density. It kind of has like a blunt cut, and it does curve in towards the face. It just kind of frames the jaw, and it has these adorable side swept bangs and layers. I just really, really love this bob. Let's talk about the color though first, and then we will move on to this wig. So 24102 R12 is your golden blonde highlighted platinum rooted light. Okay, this is a mouthful. Hold on a minute. So we have golden blonde highlighted platinum rooted light golden brown. So you have the rooted light golden brown, and I would say that is spot on. This root has more of that goldeny hue to it, just a little bit of a warmer look rather than neutral or ashy. It is a great root. They did a fantastic job with it. Let me see if I can get a closer look for you. So yeah, it does have more of a warm tone to this medium brown root. And then what you have is golden blonde highlighted platinum. So what you have is this golden blonde, and I think it really has a creamy look to it. I don't know if it's just the blend of that platinum with the golden, so it creates that creamy appearance. But when I pulled this out of the box, that's what I felt like I was looking at, was more of like a creamy blonde color. It is very, very pretty. Let me give you a close-up look. I'll give you a closer look when I take this here wig off too. Sometimes that will give you a closer look. I do have daylight coming in. It's not a very bright day. I do have ring light, and I do have bedroom light on as well. But yeah, it is a very, very pretty blonde. Here's a closer look of that front hairline. I think it looks really great, even with that darker root. It's overall, I just think a really pretty blonde color. They did a fantastic job on that lace front, and overall, I'm impressed. It's really, really pretty. Now let's do a full turnaround of Sheer Joy so you can see the layers and the cut from all angles. Now I have this kind of parted in the middle, but really you can part this all over because this is your lace front monofilament top. So you have the ability to wear off the face, multi-directional parting ability. You can creative style and just really change it up to fit your style preferences, the way you like to part your hair, style your hair, wear your front bang, or wear it off the face. I mean, look how adorable this is. You can pin it back, twist it back, braid it back, clip it back. You have that ability because of that gorgeous lace front, and it just gives you more flexibility having this type of cap construction. They did a great job. So I have it parted over here, and because it came parted on this side, it automatically makes that bang more side swept across the forehead. Can go ahead and part it more on the side that it came, and it parts really well on that side, but not as swooped, and I do like that look. I think it has a really chic, sleek appearance like this, but you could easily fluff it, give it some volume, add some product. TressAllure has that wig wax product that I think is fantastic. Add some texture. You could just really give this that va-va-voom volume, but because of the low density, it has that really sleek, nice, natural appearance, and just with the brush of your wide tooth comb or your fingers, you can make it look nice and sleek. I mean, the possibilities are endless with these cute bobs, especially this nice light one. It looks very cute, tucked behind the ear. And this is an average wig. I feel like it is true to average. I wore average in the majority of wig brands, and this fits me really well. It's comfortable, it's secure, it fits me from front to nape, from side to side really well. So I would say this is average, true average in size. Now this fiber is heat resistant synthetic fiber, so you actually can add some wave, some curl. You can choose to, if you'd like, change up the fiber and further, you know, customize and create the style you prefer. Okay, so let's take Sheer Joy off and show you guys the underside of the cap. Now before I move forward, take a look at that root on this gorgeous creamy blonde. And here's a closer look at that blonde up close. It is so pretty. I love the silhouette of this here bob. Look at that. I love how it has more of that blunt edge cut, which is very trendy, and just, I don't know, it just looks very, it looks like you just came home from a nice fresh salon cut. And then you do have that layering throughout. You have layering on top, which although this is light density, you do have the layering that gives it, you know, a little bit of volume and gives it that great shape. And of course you have that bang, that kind of side swept bang that tapers into the rest of the length of this here bob. I mean, look how adorable. I love just the whole silhouette and shape of this style. And that color is just luscious. It looks beautiful. Here's a closer look. Again, that color is 24102 R12. So pretty. Okay, so what you have with this here wig is a beautiful hand-tied lace front. And then you have a full monofilament top. This is individually hand-tied. It's meant to look like natural hair growth. You can part it every which way, and it looks like the hair is growing out of your scalp, as you can see. It looks great. Those knots look great. The root looks great. I think they did a fantastic job. Now the rest of this cap is open wefted. That's fantastic for breathability, great air ventilation. Then you have your velvet ear tabs and your velvet nape and the Velcro adjusters at the nape. This is so you can secure this wig and help it fit your head more true to size. Okay, let's put Sheer Joy back on. Now the fringe on Sheer Joy is 5 to 6 inches. Your crown on Sheer Joy is 6.5 to 7.5 inches. And your nape is 2.5 inches. The total weight on this nice lightweight wig is 3.3 ounces. It feels fantastic. Of course, I'd say that this would be a wonderful, light, comfortable wig for summer, but it is fall. In fact, I'm wearing like a ghosty shirt. Can you see that? And You know, so it's October, it's chilly, but this is so cute. I mean, such a cute wig. You could wear it all through any of the months. Just an overall adorable style for all year round. In fact, I think bobs look really cute with beanies and hats and things like that. So really, all season sheer joy definitely is an adorable style, an adorable wig. A beanie is not needed because this here very realistic density and lace front monofilament top gives you such a realistic appearance. I mean, pulling this off the face is so cute. I wish I had a clip nearby that was cuter than this here thing, but look how great it looks off the face with those lengths on the sides. Just so many options with this length, with this cut, with the way that the hair bends and curves into the face. Overall, I just feel like this is just an adorable, classic, beautiful style. Very cute, chic, trendy, and on point. So this is a thumbs up for me. I really love this sheer joy style from TressAllure, and of course I'm loving this blonde as well. I feel like I'm repeating myself over and over again, but yeah, this is cute. What do you guys think? What are your thoughts of sheer joy from TressAllure, and what are your thoughts of 24102 R12, this gorgeous blonde? I do love the root on this blonde, and I love the mixture of that platinum and that golden. It's just a fantastic mix. I like that you can pull away from the face and that it also offers you an adorable bang. Honestly, it would be cute with the more trendy middle part as well. My girls would say I'm more on point with the middle part look. Side parts are for old fogies, apparently. I don't know. I don't really care. I don't listen to that. But with this here sheer joy, you can do anything. So A+, thumbs up from me. Now you can find sheer joy at many brick and mortar and online locations. There will be a store locator down below. You guys, let me know your thoughts. Please comment below. If you have any questions, reach out to me. You can find me on Instagram and other social media platforms. Please go follow TressAllure and their social media platforms as well. They have gorgeous styles, lovely colors, and I am thrilled to have been able to show you guys this sheer joy wig with you guys today. Anyway, give me your thoughts. You guys know the drill. Thank you so much for watching, and if this was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.